In this video, I will tell you how you can install Pikashow app in Jio Set Top Box. So first of all, press the home button on your Jio Set Top Box remote to go to the main screen. Navigate to the settings option on the home screen. Then inside settings, scroll and open device preferences. Then go to security and restrictions and turn on unknown sources to allow third-party app installation. Press the home button again to return to the main screen. Then navigate to the browser app on your Jio Set Top Box and open it. In the browser, type Pikashow APK download in the search bar and hit enter. Then open a trusted website from the results and tap the download button to save the APK file. Then go to your file manager app and open the downloads folder to find the APK file. Then tap on the Pikashow APK file and select install and wait for it to install. Finish. Once installed, open Pikashow and start enjoying free shows. Thank you for watching.